Hey guys, it's Jill. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. Welcome to fall. And do y'all know what fall means for me personally? It means it's time to pull out the extensions. So that is what we are going to do today. I want to say a huge thank you to Goo Goo Hair for partnering with me on today's video. Today we are going to be going in and putting in these hair extensions. I'm going to be talking a little bit about them. We're going to curl them. We're going to curl my hair, and we're going to get some oomph and some volume. Y'all know I love my hair extensions. I don't wear them as often in the summer because I'm swimming. Y'all know, y'all saw me this summer. I barely even, did I even really get ready that much this summer? Not a whole ton, because I live in the pool, and so I didn't really do much, and plus it's just so hot. And yeah, so anyways, it's fall, and I'm so excited to get back into wearing hair extensions. So these are the ones I picked up. First, I want to say I love the packaging. Hold on, I might need to turn down the brightness a little bit so y'all can see the white box. How pretty is this? So these are, again, from Goo Goo Hair. These are the 18-inch dark brown Balayage 262. They are the Goo Goo seamless clip-in hair extensions. Again, they're 18 inches. These are 120 grams. And of course, link is going to be down below for these. And coupon code Jill15 is going to save you 15% off your order. Y'all, this color, let me let it focus. This color is dang near identical to my hair. A lot of extensions in the past that I've had a lot of red to them. I don't have a lot of red to my hair. So these are freaking perfect. They are perfect. You have the little clip right here. They're not super thick. These are very, very beginner friendly. And just look at that gorgeous color. Literally, this is my hair color. It's freaking gorgeous. Like, I have natural highlights in my hair. So, oh, look at how beautiful that is. Is that not just so gorgeous? You also have instructions. So these are 100% Remy human hair extensions. They're 120 grams with clips, 105 grams without clips. Again, I've got 18 inches. I picked up, actually I told them 16. They were like, you're gonna need 18. So huge thank you to them for that. And then of course it is straights. I love hair extensions because it's just a great way to change up your look, change up the thickness of your hair. Just love the fullness that I get with extensions. And I also love the fact, because y'all know, I've talked about this so many times, my hair does not hold curl for anything. So when I have my hair with extensions, because you already know, when I curl these, baby, it's gonna last. It's not, the curl is not going anywhere, and it's just gonna have the most beautiful curl. Obviously you do not have to curl them. I personally feel with my hair it's just best to blend. It blends easier when you curl them, but you can totally do them straight or however you want to do it. But I just wanted to show you this package because when I opened it I was like, this is such cute packaging. So yeah, this is the box in which you are going to store your hair extensions in, and I just think it's so pretty. 100% Remy human hair. So you can 100% style these, add heat to them, basically do like you would with your own hair. So I feel like my hair, y'all, lately has been so freaking oily. Like, I will wash it, and before I know it, it's like all oily. So anyways, what I do is I go ahead and I do my hair half up, half down. You're gonna go ahead and take my little clip that came in with my hair extensions, and you've got this hair right here. I really need to go get a brush, so hold on. Okay, so today I'm gonna put in all of the hair, okay? So first things first, I'm gonna take the 4 clip, I'm gonna brush it out. And all you do is unclip all 4 of these. I'm feeling right around to where my hair is parted. So I feel like right here. And I'm just gonna take the clip and I'm just gonna kind of stretch it, pull it as far as I can go, and just clip it. Do the same for right here. Clip. Sometimes you can wiggle depending on the thickness of your hair. You might even have to tease. I don't have to do any of that. So there is our first, oh, it's so soft, y'all. It's so pretty and so soft. Okay, now we have the 3 clip. What I'm gonna do is literally place it right on top of the other extension that we have. Just, I have it right here in the middle. So clip, it's going right on top. Well, here's the very top of the last extension. This is where I'm clipping the next extension. So, boom. Got that. Now we've got our 2 clipper. And this is going on the side. So I put all of my hair, for the most part, right here. So I'm just gonna kind of come to the side. And I'm just, you don't want it like too close to the front of your head because you don't want the clips. So I'm putting it right there. Make sure to pull because you don't want any kind of bulkiness right there. And I'm leaving this much away from my hairline, I guess. It's so pretty. Okay, now I'm gonna take another of the 2 clips and I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. That one I came a little closer. You can go close, especially because all of this is going to cover all of this. Now I notice I have another 3. What you can do with the 3, if you want to start here, and then with the other 3, go from here to here, you can do that. I am just going to place it again on, you know what? Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and place it right on top of that other third. So, just like we did with the second third, or the first third one, we're just going to take it, clip it, clip it. So right here we've got the 4 clip, then we have our first third clip, and then we have our second third clip right there. Now we've got our last ones. Look how beautiful that is. So pretty. So this is our 1 clipper, which I usually clip it right here. These are very comfortable, you guys. Like I can barely even, I've got a lot of hair in my head right now. I can barely even feel it. And with these clips, I can barely even feel. Like, sometimes when I put in extensions, like it'll pull at my hair. And these ones are not doing that. So, I just put that right over the 2 clip. And now, you go ahead and you release your hair over top. And you are not going to see the extensions at all. Okay, look at that. Look at that volume added to my head. Look at all of this gorgeous hair. Look at all of this gorgeous hair. This is what the back looks like. Absolutely perfect. This color match is literally perfection. Like, it is literally perfect. Okay, I'm not going to bore you guys with the whole curling process, but what I do is I go ahead and I just take my hair and some of the extensions and I just do half up, half down. So up with the clip it goes. And then I'm going to take this hair, which is a mixture of my hair and the extensions, and I'm literally just going to curl it. So I've got my curling wand ready, or my curling iron ready, and I'm just going to curl my hair like I normally do. And what ends up happening is, because I have the extensions in with my natural hair, is that it's going to blend even better because I'm literally curling my hair with the extension. So it's going to be very, very seamless. You are literally not going to be able to tell the difference between the two. So I'm not going to bore you with this. I'm just going to go ahead and show you what it looks like when it's done. Okay, so here is that first layer curled, looking so pretty. What I like to do, because I am not like the girlies, that can just leave this hair out while they work on the other hair. No, this needs to be pulled back. So what I do is I just take a clip and I get it out of my way. So it is out of the way, and then that way I can go ahead and take this down, and then I will just half this, what I've got going on here. Usually I try to do just my hair, and then the last layer will just be my hair. So this right here is pretty much all extension at this point. And I'm going to do the same exact thing. Just going to brush it out. And I'm just going to take my curling iron. I don't know what's going on here. Oh, this is my natural hair. Oh wait, hold on. This came undone. Hold on. So I'm just going to curl this part of the hair, and then I'll show you what I do when this is all curled. Okay, so here is all of the bottom curled. Now, I don't think that there's any extensions up here, so what I do is just pull these back, do the same thing. I will clip them out of my way. At this point, I also check to make sure that my extensions are still okay and clipped in, because you know I've been pulling on them and curling them, so they might need like a little adjusting. I think for the most part they're okay, but you do want to make sure that you're like pulling on the clip when you are attaching it, so there's no kind of gapping going on. So it looks pretty good. Look at all this hair. Can you tell where my hair is and where the extensions are? Because girl, I know I can't. It's freaking beautiful. This color match is beyond perfection. So anyways, I just go ahead and I clip this back like so, and then I just over the top, and then this is all my hair, so we're gonna mousse it up. So I'm gonna take some mousse and just put it in through my hair, and then curl it on up like I did all the other ones, and I will show you the final product. Okay, so here it is all done. As you can see, there are no clips showing. You cannot tell my hair from the extensions. It all just flows very beautifully and it looks great. Now, I am going to brush out the extension curls, not my curls, because you already know. So there you go. It is that easy to put in extensions, and again, I feel completely secure. They are not gonna come out, fall out, wind, I don't care, none of that stuff. These are so incredibly comfortable. They're not as heavy as other extensions that I've worn in the past, so I literally don't even feel them in my head. Do not know that they are there at all, except for when I go like this and I'm like, whoa, I have a ton of hair. But it is beautiful, and again, you cannot even tell where my hair begins and where the extension is. So very, very, very impressed, to say the least. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you are new here. Huge thank you to Goo Goo Hair for partnering with me on this video and sending me these gorgeous, luxurious, awesome, amazing, beautiful feeling and looking hair extensions. Link is going to be down below for you guys, and don't forget to use Jill15 for 15% off of your order. Also, I'm going to link or list out down below in the description box the color, the style, all of that I got, the length, in the description box as well, just as a reminder. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I love you all so very much. Go get yourself some hair extensions, have fun. I absolutely love them, and I love how luscious and full my hair is when I have them in. I love them. And finally, my hair looks decent and looks good with curl, because once my natural hair kind of loses the curl, you still have the curl, and like my hair's wavy. It just looks so beautiful. It's so pretty, and it adds so much thickness and fullness and a little bit of length. So love it so very much. So have an amazing day, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.